everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Megan, and I'm going to be walking you through how to join the Scrappy Resale Room on the outside app, which is currently called Resale, and how to navigate through it and upload your items quickly and get them seen by everyone so that you can sell and buy and be happy. So I'm on the former Scrappy Resale Room page on Facebook. And as you can see, it currently looks like this, talking all about garage sale. They have lots of pretty pictures for you to look at. But right here, the very first post is how to join garage sale. If you haven't already joined garage sale, then you'll want to look at this picture and go to the Facebook page and look at this picture so that you know how to log in. I'm not going to go over all this just because last time I did this little video tutorial, I stumbled so much over it that I had to redo it. Okay. So after you have joined the Scrappy Resale Room Garage Sale app and you've approved the app and all that stuff, when you're on your regular Facebook, you can go to your bar, which I don't know if you guys have this ugly bar over here, but I do. And it can be found under here, under the App Center. You can see it's already popped up right here just simply because I use it so much. But if you go to the App Center, it should say Your Apps right here. It looks like a box. And so you click on that. And all of your apps will be right here. These are all of the apps that you have approved at one time or another, or you have friends who want it, or most of these are just, I don't play Farmville, I'm not a Farmville person, so most of these will be apps that they want you to join. So you can click on Garage Sale here, use now, and when I did this for the first time, it took me to Garage Sale. And this is the Garage Sale dashboard, and this over here will show you the different communities that you can go to. So I went to Scrappy Resale Room, and I actually bookmarked it and put it on my bookmark toolbar, which is right here, and then I just put VS for Garage Sale. When you load Garage Sale, you're going to see something similar to this. Up here, I can tell you that there's this little down arrow, and if you click that, you can switch to the different communities that you are on, or you can look up other communities that are in your area and other communities that may interest you. There's lots of different apps that you can, or communities that you can join on this app. You can also switch it to all communities, which is great because you may have an interest in dogs and that doesn't come in your interests section right here. So we're going to go back to the Scrappy Resale Room. So as soon as you load up the Scrappy Resale Room, this is what you're going to see. It's going to be the front page of every single time that you go to Scrappy Resale Room page. It's going to look just like this. This is called the feed. And the feed looks pretty similar to the old Facebook page. So when you come here, you're going to see the feed, like I said. Anytime that you're in anywhere else, you can always click on the feed to go straight back to the front page. The next section is called Discussions. Discussions is where we have discussions. I mean, that's pretty obvious, of course. But it's where we as admins will post. If you guys have discussions that you want to have, like coupon codes or favorite products, that kind of thing, you will go to discussions and you will start a discussion. Actually, you can start a discussion without going to the discussions tab. Did I say discussions enough? Okay. So you can scroll down here and you can see the bad buyers list and the rules and guidelines for the Scrappy Resale Room. If you have not already read over those rules, please do so. We are very strict on our rules. And then how to post an item for either sale or in search of. That is right here, but I'm going to go over that with you. But this is always under discussions in case you need a reference for later on and you don't want to have to watch through this video again. The next tab is called Categories, which is pretty self-explanatory. under here, if you click on it, it's got all of the different categories that we have here at the Scrappy Resale Room. However, there are some categories that have subcategories, and I'm going to show you one of those now. The embellishments, for example, has a subcategory, or many subcategories actually. These are all of the subcategories that are under embellishments, and that allows you to click on literally, let's click on washi tape. Brings up all of the washi tape that everyone has posted. Every single piece of washi tape that's available, if somebody puts it under embellishments with the subcategory of washi tape, it's going to be under the washi tape tab. The same thing with bling. If somebody puts it under subcategories, it's going to be under bling. Okay? You can also look for sale, the items that people are looking for in bling. If you have some bling that you're looking to sell and you're wanting to see if somebody's looking for it, you can always do that. And also the free tab is anything that somebody is giving away for free. Okay. My Stuff is the tab that you will click on after you have uploaded items, which I will show you how to do that. Excuse me. So you would click on that, and that would show you all of your items, the categories and subcategories that they're under, and whether or not they're available. The green arrow in the top, or the green triangle in the top left corner, means that they are available. The Members tab is also self-explanatory. You can see all of the members, and you can also search for members, and things appear at the search bar. So if I wanted to see if my good friend Dina is a member of the Scrappy Resale Room, I can type in Dina and click enter. Oh, snap. Let me try that again. Okay. And my good friend Dina Adessa is a part of the Scrappy Resale Room, and we have 3 mutual friends. Dina at this time has not uploaded any items. Dina, you better get on it. Okay, so that's how you search for people. Let's say I wanted to search for paper flowers. Here you can see lots of different items that have either paper or flowers in the title. Obviously, Marsha, her last name is Flowers. Hi, Marsha. So this can give you a good example of what, has the name paper, has the word paper or flowers in it. If that's not quite exact for you, always you can go to the categories and embellishments, and you can click on flowers, and that'll give you the flowers. Since we just added people to Garage Sale, obviously there aren't going to be very many items uploaded at this time, but I'm sure it'll get there. Okay, so what I did just there, I should have told you guys. This is your little notification bar and bell. And when it lights up with a number, which it just lit up with the number 2 because there were 2 notifications for me, you can click on the notification and it'll take you to where you're going. And here you will see all of the comments on your image or responses to a discussion, that kind of thing that you are following or involved in. Right next to it is the little mail envelope, and that takes you to your private messages. This private message system is completely off of Facebook, so you won't have to pay $1 to send it to somebody's inbox instead of others folder, which is really cool. I really like that. And over here, you can click on this little arrow beside your name, and you can click on Preferences, and you can decide what visible categories you would like on all of your different pages that you're on. Okay? And you can also choose to receive notifications by email and notify me when people ask to join my community. I'm going to save that actually. Well, I don't think you guys will get the second one. Okay, so Last but not least, we're going to post an item. So I'm going to go to post my items, and it'll tell you to upload photos. So you click that, and let's see. I'm going to upload this picture, and it's loading the picture up for you. And you're going to choose your category, which this is a stamp set that I'm selling. And you're going to put your title in. And your price. And then you're going to click Submit Items. Now, let's say that you were looking for this stamp set instead of selling it, and you wanted to pay $10. You would click I'm looking for this item rather than selling it, and you would submit. So let's go ahead and submit that, and I'll show you what it does. Okay, so let's go back to categories, and I'm going to go to stamping. And I'm going to, I'm selling this stamp set, but I don't know that somebody's looking for it because it's buried under all of these other posts. So I'm going to go to looking for, and there it is. Hey, I have that stamp set and I'm willing to part with it for $10, you know? So then you just go down here and you write a little comment. I'll sell for 10 plus, whoops, $100 shipping. Haha, yeah, right. And there you go. So that is it in a nutshell. It's really very simple to learn. And as always, if you have any questions, Kat and I are here to answer them for you. And we hope that you enjoy the new app. Please let us know what you think, and have a great evening. Thanks for watching.